So we haven't actually spoke to anyone today, but morning, day after the wedding, very hungover. We didn't leave the room today until about 1 p.m. We're just playing Dragon Link. We gave up on 50 cent, so we went to 5 cent, 125, and I just had a lovely little wall bonus. So we need to cash out and leave now because we've won back all what we've lost. Okay, have a good day. We'll speak to you later. Bye. Okay, we're back. We both just got a bonus together. So Sarah, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. She's fuming. She's not had a ball bonus, so she's really annoyed. I think she's got a nice one. Where's my nice one? It's a banner. I don't. Oh no. You need to speed yours up, or they're not going together. And the lady next to us just got a bonus. Everybody's on a bonus. Oh. Way! I see. It just didn't like 1 cent, 50 cent. Well, I only won $11, so that was rubbish. Sarah, you take over.
I don't want to. I don't like vlogging. No, it's boring. Yay! And another, and another. I can't chill with it. Looks at the vlog. Hello vlog. I need some balls please. Come on. Come on, balls. Oh. I've got fluers. No banner there. Oh no, Jazz. Oh dear, she's gone to. Yeah, you take it back. Come on. Yay! I just changed a bit to 10 cent, 2.50. Because it clearly didn't like 1 cent, so I thought we'd give it a go. She's winning, I'm winning, see? No, they don't exist on this one. No, but I'll take a mini. I just saw the major. Did anyone else see that? Because I did. No, not really a great bonus. Hey! Okay, still going. Sarah's still fuming. She's still not had a ball bonus. She's living. That's mine done. That's Sarah's done. How much did you win, Sarah? She said 37. She thinks. For wedding breakfast, by the way, we just got Starbucks. We just got Starbucks, croissant and a bagel and a nice big coffee. You really don't want to see another bonus of Sarah's, but if it's really good, we'll come back. Goodbye. Into the Westin at the lake of over half there.
Oh, we're quite away from driving into it.
Oh no, we're 1 minute away.
did it again, bruh.
Well, I don't find it a problem, it's usually us. Here's the Westin.
Here's the Westin. This is where we'll be staying for 2 nights. Oh, it's like being in LA with the palm trees on the sun. Look, shall I turn it off now?
Hello vlog.
Oh no.
So basically we realised we probably haven't spoke to you since the wedding day. We're now on the honeymoon.
Well, was before or after the wedding day?
Was it? We're not too sure. Basically, we kind of decided vlogging isn't really for us, so we just stopped doing any videos. So in that time we've had wins, we've had bonuses.
Wins? You've had
Wins.
Wins? Winning.
So we're just at the Westin now.
Winning.
This is our little honeymoon hotel. No casinos, no wins. But we've just had dinner. We're just going to go get an early night. We're spending 2 nights here. Sarah ate your cow. Got a bit of a sore face. It's a bit hot. And we're going to have an early night and we're going to go to Hoover Dam tomorrow. So we might talk to you again, but we might not because we're rubbish at this. Say bye, Sarah.
Bye, Sarah.
Lake Mead National Park. So, yeah, cool.
If that's for the vlog, you're filming the wrong way round again.
Oh, and we also, because we brought a little bottle of Timu, name drop, to put some honeymoon sand in it, so we can grab ourselves some sand from. There was a beach, wasn't there? Boulder City Beach.
Something like that.
Yeah. We can grab it there. We've got nothing to put it in, so we're gonna have to drink our walks and yeah, cool.
And it was also only $25 to get into this national park.
Just thought it was 250. She was like, no, we're turning back.
But no,
That's gambling money.
Everyone keeps talking about the $100 to get into a national park, but I'm really confused because this one wasn't, so I don't know.
And this is subject to a flash flood. Yeah, right. Okay, right. Over and out. Over and under, as Uncle Bill would have said. Bye. My vlog. So we're driving to the Hoover Dam. It's a bit scary, I don't like it. It's a bit high. Oh, I don't like it. It's pretty amazing. I'll make a jazz drive really slow. Scary. Checkpoint. Coming up. Oh. God, I'm hot. This AC is not really doing much. How's your steering wheel?
Still quite hot.
What's it?
Oh, I want to go up there afterwards, make you overlook.
That'll be cool.
Sarah's having a great day out in the car.
doing a great job, Jazzle.
Am I going slow enough?
Yeah, never.
Because we're probably not going to do this again, are we?
No. Oh, one man. He's killing the weeds, man. He's probably not, is he? He's probably...
Oh look, there's the bridge you hate up there.
Oh look, there's the Lake Mead thing. Oh fuck me, that's the bridge I really don't like. It's far too high. Far, far, far too high. And it's going over a cliff. No likey. No likey. 15 miles an hour, Jasmine.
Are you hearing how much of a bad passenger I have to put up with?
Hello, bridge.
Hello vlog.
Oh god, I don't like it.
That bridge is so cool. And you're about to get the dam.
Damn,
It's the
girl.
Hoover Dam!
Damn, girls, let's get one on the bridge first.
Oh, but you don't miss the dam.
Oh, it was the dam. We'll get out anyway.
Yeah, but we'll be on the dam when we get out, remember?
Okay. Damn, girl. Oh, can I unplug this?
Yeah.
Because it's not
Should I
actually
go into this car park?
doing anything, is it?
Oh, actually, no, I'm going to have to drive across it now because you're still videoing. Then I'll come back. Right, parking's $10. So I'm going to drive across the dam and then I'm going to come back and park for $10 in a covered car park.
Okay.
So I am able to use my steering wheel when we leave.
A cupboard car park.
Covered.
Oh. Don't you sweat it, baby, it's
Because
alright.
the other car park's up there, which is quite far away. And you think we sound lazy, but
But-
it is currently 45. It's actually, since we left that casino, it's gone up by 10 degrees.
What casino did we go to, Jazz?
Boulder Station, Hoover Dam.
Hoover
Inn.
Dam Casino. Or Hoover Dam something or other. Hey. Right, we don't need a picture of a car. Oh, do you remember when we took pictures of Nevada time and Arizona time?
You get in the bridge.
No, I wanted
Bridge.
to get...
To the right.
Oh, the bridge. Yeah, the bridge is scary as hell. Man. We're in Arizona now.
Not yet.
Oh, my arm's falling off.
I don't think we did take a picture of Arizona time over here. We didn't make it this far.
Did we not make it this far? Oh, you're supposed to stop at the crossroad. There you go, look, there's Arizona. We are now in Arizona. It is 25 past 11 in the AM. Hang on, it's 25 past 11 here too.
Yeah, Arizona doesn't have a different time.
Is it not?
No.
Oh, okay, that's boring then, isn't it? I love the fact you said you were going to turn round. I don't know where you're going to turn round. You
It's in the car park that we're not parking in.
Oh, okay.
Because look, this is the car park. Unless you tell me you want to walk from up here.
I definitely don't want to walk from up here. It's far too hot. Hot to trot.
Pretty sure you have to pay $10 to park here, or no?
Oh, it's scary, man. Oof. Right, can I turn the video off now?
Yeah.
Say bye to the vlog.
Oh, actually, we're getting the back of the dam.
We haven't actually seen the back of it 'cause the last time we came.
Oh, and there's about to be an Arizona sign.
It was really hot. Okay, I'll get that. Just can you watch the road and not like look down the hole? Now we are coming up to the right. We're now in Nevada. Oh no! Wait, we're now in Arizona. Wow, that's the quickest state line ever was crossed. Hey, right, can I turn the vlog off now?
Yeah, bye vlog.
Bye vlog. Hang on.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog. Didn't put
We're
any makeup
parked
on
in a
today.
canyon.
No makeup, it's a makeup free day today.
We've come to the Hoover Dam because I like the Hoover Dam. We've been here once before, but while we had the car,
Sponsored by
Fuji. But while we had the car and we were only sort of half hour away at Lake Las Vegas, we thought we'd come down here. So we're here.
Let's
It's hot. There is a lift. We are on day 2 of honeymoon in Vegas. Oh, Sarah, look, there's the Hoover Dam just down there. So we're gonna have a little walk around here, take some photos, and probably then die. It is
Buy a drink.
It's 105. So I don't know what that is in our.
Have a little wash your hands.
Have a wee. Yeah. We'll let you know how long we last here. Say bye, Sarah.
No.
So we're at the Hoover Dam. Sarah won't come near the edge. It's not for her. Oh.
Yes, I will.
It's very far down.
Oh,
The Memorial Bridge.
Sick. It's actually making me feel sick.
I just really like it here. And the drive we took here was absolutely lovely. We've just been over to Arizona as
Let's
well.
take another picture of our 10-year.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to go because she wants to take
9
another
years.
photo. Say bye, Sarah.
Bye, Sarah. Now in Boulder City. Very cute. There's a little delicatessen.
Sarah doesn't mind these roads.
This road's a normal road. Oh yeah, I'll get your drinks here.
What kind of drinks? We need
I feel
water.
like the beach should be on that side for some reason. Don't you? Oh, it is really cute.
Pizzeria and pasta.
Down there, lid on the alone. Damn Roast House. Stop.
Does anyone know, if you know vlog, like, who gives way to who at like these weird junctions? Because we don't know, we just stop and hope for the best and roll. So yeah, can someone let us know? Actually, to be fair, there's no point, Sarah won't let us have a car again. Look at the cute little houses.
Oh, little boxes, not on the hillside. Oh, it is really cute, isn't
Is there a
it?
CVS around these parts?
Look at those perfect lawns. Perfected. Oh, there's an Aminal Hospital. Oh, there's a Best Western.
Oh, we should go to there for lunch. Southeast Diner.
Your mum's Italian kitchen.
That's proper American.
What?
Southeast Diner.
Oh, I've got something in my eye. Sorry, vlog. Boulder City Inn. I'm not sure if I want to stay there.
Flamingo Inn.
Oh no, I
Wow.
definitely don't want to stay there.
I don't think anyone's staying there.
Oh no. Oh great, that's nice. I'm not planning on staying there anytime soon. The Star Mortuary.
Oh yeah, there's guns.
Oh, guns.
Let's leave.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do.
Right, say bye, Sarah.
Oh, I don't want to stop yet. I like this little.
But, there's
Okay.
a Starbucks.
And a China a go-go. We don't need a Starbucks. Still got that coffee that we bought. Like, oh look, there's a little thingy there. Go where you want. I don't mind. Hello, Jazz. Oh look, we're driving into Lake Mead. No, hopefully we're not. I didn't mean that. I'll take it back. Oh, little bunnies.
We could have hired a boat.
But we can't now because we've just bought, went to the shop,
The supermarket.
the supermarket, the grocery store, and bought ourselves a little Caesar salad for dinner, nice coffee for the morning, what else did we buy? Also
In about 1.5 miles, turn
latte.
left.
Yeah,
There's
So,
toothpaste, water.
that's what we're going to have for dinner tonight, rather than going to the restaurant, spending £70 and me eating like a toe of a cow. By the way, I didn't really eat a cow last night. I hardly ate anything. Speed limit is 20. stop plus shaking.
And then we then spent $100 in the supermarket.
Yeah, but we've got supplies now. But you got to spend money to save money. Anyway, we don't care about money. We're on holiday. Hey, worry about money when we get home. But anyway, we won't need to worry about money anyway because we are going to hit the grand when we get back on the strip or downtown, aren't we? We're going to hit the grand jackpot. I feel it coming.